So, guys, we are back. I want to teach you how to use your four-figure table. Okay? How to use your four-figure table to look for tangents of angles. Okay? I have taught you from our classes how you can find two digits number. The example of that 40 that we give, we looked for 40. So let's go there. 40. Good. So we look for 40. And because it's two digits, we checked this one, which you remember it gave us 0.8391. So if it is two digits, just check that two digits, 4 and 0. Check it under 0. And don't forget that the first column after this line up, down like that. So the first one after the angle column is 0. Check it up. 0. So we are going to, can you see it now? So you can see that the first column is 0 after the angle. Okay, now that's how to check one digit or two digits, because we can have angle, we can have 7 degrees. For example, this is 7 degrees. So check it under 0. If it is 1 or 2 digits, check it under 0. Okay, but if it is more than 2 digits, sometimes they can give us 3 digits, they can give us 4 digits, okay, in decimal place, just like we're having this question. Look at this. Okay, so the examples we have in this one is telling us that we have 64.7. How do we check it? Using four-figure table. What you do is simple. Tan 56.3 tan 64.7. Let's check them out in the four-figure table. Just check 64. You will see it in the angle line, in the angle column. Check 64 under 7. The one, that 1 digit, 2 digits that we have done, we checked it under 0, isn't it? This time, let us check it under 7. Tan 64 under 7, because there are 3. 1, 2, 3. So the first 2 digits is going to be your angle, and you check it under the 3rd digit. Okay, tan 64.7 degree. Tan 64.7 degree. Okay, so let's check it out. 64.7 degree. So we have from 0 down to 44 in this part. 0 to 44. Can you see? That's where it stops. But because it's 64, it is the second part we are going. The second page, that's where we are going. Okay? What I mean by that is this. Go like this. Can you see it? They are on the same page. 64. And down. Let's go. Can you see it? 64. Can you see 64? 64. Under what? 7. 64. So take note of, you can use your pencil to mark line 64, like I'm doing now. 64. That is 64. You can use pencil to mark it. Okay, can you see what I've done? That's what I have under. Use pencil to do this. Okay, so that is under the numbers in front of 64. Now let's go to the under 7. Check up. You trace up. Can you see? Under 7. this is 7, okay, 7. So trace that 7 down to, this is 7, okay, under the vertical column. Trace this 7 down to the one that you ring, okay. So we are going from up, 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 okay. Oh, sorry, we are going down, down, down to it now. Can you see? So this one is the one that is under 7. This number I'm touching is the one that is under 7. So that's what our answer is. Tan 64.7. That's our answer. So you write it out. Can you see? 2.116. 2.116. That's your answer. So write it. You can write it somewhere that tan 64.7 equals to 2.11 what? Under 7. 116. Exactly. So you have seen how to check 3 digits. Okay? 3 digits means that it has you check the third number up, you trace it up or down in the under section, okay, as we have done. Tan 64.7 gives you 2.116. I believe that is clear to you now to search 3 digits, okay. Now let's go to 4 digits. 4 digits. We have our example here of the one for fourth digit. So that is an example of 4 digits is this, tan 14.58. That's an example of 4 digits. And how do we check it? Search for the first 2 digits under the third digit, okay, and you will, when you check the answer, write it out. Then go to, I will tell you where you go next. You come to the add difference. There is a column here. Can you see? Add difference. So the fourth number, this fourth number 8, the fourth number, you come and when you get your answer, you will check angle 14 under differentiate. Let's do it. 14 under differentiate. Okay, so what do? You tan 14 degree. Can you see this is 14 degree? So under what? 5. 14 degree under 5. 14 under 5 degree. This is it. Have you seen it? Under 5. 14 degree. If you trace it, you will notice that it's under 5. Can you see? 14 degree under 5 is this. See where they meet. You check the 14 like this, like this, like this. This is it. And when you trace it up, can you see it? So our answer is what? Our answer is what? So let's write it somewhere. Write it somewhere. Okay? So 14 under 5 is 2.2586. Can you see it? 0.2586. That's what we got when we checked it. Now, you know that it has fourth number. Do you remember? Fourth number is 8. So you will go and check 14 under 8 again. This time around, don't check it under under this place. Come and check it under difference. Under difference. So 14 under 8. The fourth number is checked under difference. this is the difference column. Okay, so 14, check 8. What's our answer? I cannot hear you. 15. Okay, let's see it very well. Okay, it is 15. So what do? You add it. That's what is written on top. So can you see it? They said add difference. The instruction is there in your 4-figure table. Add difference. So 14 under 8. Whatever difference you discover, you add it. Can you see it? So that is 15. So in the answer we wrote earlier, let's add 15. Don't add it as a whole number. Okay? Don't add it as a whole number. Add it in this form. Can you see it? So what are we going to get? 6 plus 1 is 11. Write 1 and bring 1 here. 1 plus 8 plus 1 is 10. Write 0. Bring 1 to this place. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Then your 2, write it, point, then the 0. So that is, so angle, the angle that we checked, that is angle tan 14.58, tan 14.58, tan 14.58 14.58 tan 14.58, okay, equals to what? Let's check it out. Equals to the thing that we added when we found the difference with the other number. 0, let's write it, 0.2601. So this is what we, after checking all the numbers, can you see it? So tan 14.58 equals to 0.2601. Is that clear? That's how to check the 4-figure table, okay? The 2 digits, 3 digits, and the 4 digits. Thank you.